Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to turn these soda tabs into a sling for your BB gun. So first go to Grant Thompson, the king of randomness, his channel, and then look for soda tab chains. And then make a chain of 30 soda tabs. And then so you're going to tie the end of your chain to a loose soda tab, and then you're gonna unscrew that, put that down, and put the screw over the top so it's loose, so it's tight here. And you just go up here and you tie this end to your barrel, and it will not block your sights or anything. So quick and easy, and it works great. It looks pretty cool too. Alright, so if you guys want any videos you want me to do, tell me in the comments, and I'll see if I can do them for you.